Hello traders, Nalinakshi Swami here. Morning in the opening bell, how I was able to notice, because it is confusion. In the morning in the pre-market will show something and it will halt at something, and but the opening will be some other thing. So to avoid confusion, you should know where are the imbalance are there. Imbalance means the where the price has been traded only in one side. That means only buyers. So if there is only buyers on that candle, there is no seller at all. There is no balance in that candle. So when and in my last video, I discussed about the imbalance finder. So you can manually find out that if you are able to know that. Otherwise, with the help of this indicator, some person has coded on the trading view. His name is, leave it. So he has coded that and it automatically marks the imbalances on this. So I was able to see in this area, yellow area. You can see the yellow area. Yellow area is the imbalance area. Imbalance area means only buyers were there. So there were no balance between the buyer and seller. In this area, you can see balance. In these two area, no balance. And there is balance, buyer, seller, buyer, sellers. So finally, the Nifty in the opening bell came down to the level of 17,111. There is the imbalance level on that candle. So by seeing that itself, I was able to make out Nifty is going to hold that level, and I changed my frame to 1 minute, and then just see, look at this 1 minute, and I marked the level of 1 minute high and low like this, or otherwise you take something. This is the high and low of the 1 minute low, and you can see in 1 minute itself, price came down. Finally, there was a break of the structure. This is the break of the structure, break of 1 minute candle. And also you can use anchored VWAP. So price is above the anchored VWAP in the 1 minute, this thing. So you have seen the break of structure and wait for the retest. Always price, this is also an imbalance candle. Imbalance candle means only buyer candle. So it will try to balance and price will come back to this area. So wait for that level, and I waited for that level and I entered the trade. So this was a huge move to the level of 17,293. It filled the gap. It filled the gap on the same day, and it traveled up to 17,296. And this is the area, you can see, this is the huge imbalance candle. But it has been mitigated. Mitigated means this seller has been neutralized by the buy and seller. So you have to mark the level of that area and anticipate, and trailing the stop loss, I was able to conquer this much of trade. And I closed my trade in the morning itself. This is how one can trade successfully even in the opening bell. So and I wish you people to learn about the thing about the imbalances and also gaps, fair value gaps, and also order flow. Order flow and breakup structure. If you know all these things, you can trade successfully. That's it, friends. That's what I wanted to show it to you, how I took the trade in the early opening hours. Even the option also same, you have to select the in the money option, and in the money option also same thing, same pattern will follow. And if you know the levels, you can trade so wisely. That's it, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off. I hope this will enlighten you to learn about the order flows and then breakup structure and also imbalances and fair value gaps. This is a very good thing. You need to learn about this.